loves, it's Ray with Raw Element, and welcome to my iPad customization video. I'm super excited to share this with you all. It's been highly requested over on my Instagram, and if you haven't joined me there, I'd love to see you. To celebrate my YouTube launch, I put together a huge kit for you all that has a lot of my aesthetic images and icons for you to customize your device. I did a couple different designs for you guys to make it look like a magazine cover and left spacing at the top for the icons. That way they're framed, and when you swipe left and right, they're all lined up. I added a couple different folders to divide out the miscellaneous apps that came pre-installed and what I've downloaded from the App Store. I'll show you how I made my custom icons and a few simple widgets too. First off, I want to start with changing the wallpaper theme. So you'll go into Settings and Wallpaper, then tap Choose a new wallpaper image and pick your photo. Pinch and zoom to line it up and then choose what you want to set it as. Next, I'm going to add some widgets, and I've already started making some, so to do that you'll need to download the free app called Widgetsmith. I know there's a ton of customization videos out there, so I'm not going to go into detail a lot, but I'm going to be making a medium-sized photo widget, and if you don't have your images saved in your Photos album, then you can just go to your files, tap and hold on any photo, and then choose Share and then Save Image. Then you just name your widget and go back to your home screen, choose Edit, and then the plus sign, and choose the size widget that you just made. The calendar and moon that I did are medium, and the magazine cover is a large. Now we're going to make some custom icons, and I absolutely love using Goodnotes for this because it's so easy. The first way is to use the split view and drag and drop stickers over. So I'm going to start with my Baroque collection and just pick some stickers at random. After you get everything the way you want it, then you'll tap on it, say take a screenshot, and then save image. The other way to pull over stickers is by copy and pasting from sticker sheets, so I'll be grabbing some from my Inspired collection. My favorite way to get more stickers out of my existing stickers is to use the freehand crop option, and this is amazing because basically you just draw anything that you want and then you crop it to that shape. I have an in-depth tutorial on that over on my Instagram. Now that we've made our icons, we can go into the Shortcuts app and start customizing. The first screen you see is a welcome screen, and you can customize this too on what you want to see when you open it. I've got it open to all of my custom shortcuts, and you can change the color of each one of your shortcuts to go with your aesthetic. So to create a new one, you're just going to tap on the plus sign and then type open app or open URL depending on what function you want. There's a ton of functions in there and you can play around with that. So for open app, you just pick which app you want to open with that, and then you're going to type your title for the shortcut, and this is just for what you see in that welcome menu. And then you can change the color, like I said, to match your aesthetic. And then you'll hit add to home screen and type the actual name that would appear on your home screen. After that, you just tap on the little icon and you can choose file or photo. If you want to resize the image, then you'll want to choose the photo option to be able to make it bigger or smaller. Once you get it resized the way you like, then you can tap add and then hit the home button to look at it and see if you like it, and then drag and drop it wherever you want. If you don't like it, then you can go back into shortcuts by double tapping on the home button and going back over and editing it and repeating the steps. I recommend not closing out of that shortcut until you get it exactly the way you want it. And that's pretty much it. I just went through and made shortcuts for all of my main apps that I use and my Etsy shop, Patreon, things like that, using the open URL function. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that it's helped you, and let me know if you'd like to see more of these type of videos in the future, and I will try to do that. See you next time.